Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today I have the opportunity to sit down and talk to James Jackson. James is running for town council in the town of Orangeville. Thanks for being here today, James.
Boom.
So today we're going to talk about the infamous subject of taxes. As you know, in the town of Orangeville, it's an ongoing debate and concern. So if elected, what would you do about taxes? Do you think they're too high?
Taxes are always high. I'm a taxpayer too. I don't like to pay taxes. Nobody likes to pay taxes. Those are, what is it that they say is inevitable? Death and taxes. So, but in the subject of the taxes, that yeah, we do have to address it, but I can't really give any certain numbers, any promises to anything until I actually have a look at the books. Yeah, it is public information, but however, when you're in the mix, totally different, because now you can actually have a say about this or about that. Myself, I look at it how I run my household. It is a matter of what is a need and what is a want. Wants can always wait. Needs, it's like food. No, you need food.
Mm-hmm. So is there anything specific potentially that you think could be addressed, maybe a need or a want that you can see as a normal public citizen that you think perhaps maybe this is a want and we could lose it?
To be honest with you, right off the top of my head, I can't really give you any specifics.
Yeah. So for instance, the water slide. You remember the slide down Broadway? What would your take be on that?
I had issues with it because of the to get up to it, and then standing in line for such a long time. But most of all, it was you had to go here, and then I had to go here, and then I had to go here. By the time that I got myself there with my son, it was like he's already had enough, and he just wants to go home, and I'm like in pain. So, yeah, that was not a good day. I think for that event, it was an awesome event, awesome idea, but I think it needed to be coordinated a little bit better.
Okay. What about, is there anything you think that the town isn't providing that it should be providing?
My biggest issue again is with accessibility. Like our downtown events. They're great, they're awesome, but I'd like to be able to get to them more. My problem is where they are is now by the time that I've gotten up to the event, I'm now exhausted or in pain, and now I can't go in and participate in the event because now I don't have that strength to continue on. So all I'm thinking is that we just need to assess of how we run some of the things. It's just a matter of, I think it's a different set of eyes.
Yeah. Okay, well, and certainly there's always got to be the benefit of the doubt. When you get into the room and you have the information, you can always ask for more information. And so certainly we look forward to seeing, if you do get elected, what you're able to accomplish. Thanks for coming in and talking about this important subject.
No problem.
And if you'd like to see more of what James has to say, please don't hesitate to take a look at the links below for more. And also, thanks for watching.